We got 3 packs. We're still chasing a single hit. No hits yet. We're going to start off with Paradox Rift. Got the Blastoise up for the good luck. We had Charizard and Mewtwo last time. No luck. The back. We got Energy. Absol, come on. All right, we got an EX. Roaring Moon EX. All right, we'll save the Destined Rivals for last just because we're still looking at Mewtwo journeying together. Let's go. Come on. You just need anything. Anything, Mr. Mime. You guys want me to open up some Prismatic or some 151? I can do that too. Oh, here we go. Another EX. Oh my goodness, dude. I have doubled up so much. The Blastoise is not bringing the luck today, everybody. Let's go. Destined Rivals. Let's see if we can get that Mewtwo. Code card. This Destined Rivals is all dinged up. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. All the cards are all dinged up. Hopefully there's not a hit in here. Because if there, I don't know. It'll go for the binder anyway. Let's go, Team Rocket. Let's go. Well, we definitely got nothing. Team Rocket's side. Spidops. Quick little recap. We got a couple of EXs. Not too shabby. And then, but remember, guys, hit that like and follow button. Subscribe for the chance to win this Journey Together booster bundle.